Hey guys, here is Alex. He has a Tesla, beautiful car, and as I promised before, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do parallel parking. And he has a test coming soon, right, Alex?
Yeah.
And he is going to do parallel parking on that car. We're gonna approach this car, guys. So and it's a little bit different than normal car, right, Alex? This is Tesla. So let's do step by step. I just show him a couple times just before we're gonna do this video and see how it works. Okay, Alex, approach the car, this car, please, and we're gonna do parallel parking beside this white car. So what's the first step that you have to do?
So we should park near mirror to mirror.
Mirror to mirror, and you put the signal, correct? So this is the first thing. So the car is almost the same size. We are mirror to mirror. What's the next step, Alex?
3/4.
Okay.
Then reverse.
Okay, then your observation, right? Make
Yes.
sure that everything is clear. So guys, 3/4, exactly the same thing like I do in my car, right? You watch my videos. Now he turned all the way to the other side. And that's it. That's it. And stop the car, park the car. And that's how we do it, guys. So it doesn't matter. As you can see, my car and the Tesla Model 3, right? This is Model 3. It's the same steps. The car perfectly parked. We parallel to the car. He did with 3 steps, correct? Right?
Yes.
So first of all, we turn 3/4, mirror to the corner, we stop, and then all the way to the left.
Exactly.
Any question, Alex?
No.
Perfect. So this is how you're gonna do on the test. It's easy.
Yes.
And before you came to me, what's the steps you were doing? Something different or similar?
So actually I'm doing, according to my soul, not according to practice,
Okay, so it's different, right?
Yes.
So you were doing totally different steps, but that's the way it's supposed to be. Any questions?
No.
Perfect. Okay, guys, so if you would like to see more of these videos, you can join me on my Patreon. And also, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one.